Um, so, it's another kind of gray spring day, first of spring. It's March something, I don't know, Saturday. Anyways, I came outside this morning and discovered some moose tracks in the yard. Two sets, so I think it's a cow and a calf. There, over here. So you go right down through the yard, right to the road and cross the road. So thought I'd backtrack them, thinking they went up that way, but they didn't. They get into my pasture. They come through right here with this rails down. Over here, kind of see the tracks there. Another one there, there. Got a little bit of moose hair there. As I got in here, just kind of followed the tracks around. I get a gate open up at the top of the hill, and that's where they come in. So at least I don't have to fix any fence back there. But I already got to replace that whole side over there, so I guess it don't matter. That's another section of fence to fix. It kind of knocked my posts over here, but anyway. Things are thawing out good. Fed a lot of hay here last fall, so I'm gonna get this hauled out of here soon. As soon as it thaws out, dries out. It's going into some fields for fertilizer. Say I'm still not 100% sure what I'm gonna do about cows this year. Probably just get some culls, go for hamburger. And anyways, for right now, I just thought I'd show you guys some of these tracks around. Kind of interesting having a couple moose walk through your yard. All right, now please ignore the mess around here. Everything's muddy. And say I'm still in the process of cleaning up around that mill building. But for right now, I'm heading out because I am buying a Massey Ferguson number 10 baler. So hooking onto that, tow it home. Got like an implement hitch there. Slow moving vehicle signs in my truck here, so kind of way down there. Should be good to go. There. So, I get that, pins, hitch pins, so yeah. Okay, I'm gonna head out, see if I can get this baler. I'll have to grab my tripod. I'll video what I can of it, so anyway. Got the baler hooked up. I'm on my way home. See it back there. This road's very rough, so get out of here in better road. I could probably speed up. Going in second gear right now. But anyways, kind of excited here about this. I get another venture coming up too. That's going to be a completely different video, but anyway, I'll video again when I get home. Great. So it's Massey Ferguson number 10. It worked when it was parked, so looks a little homemade, but doesn't matter. Get a hitch on it, bail directly onto a trailer, like that. Now, say I just got home with this. Say I got something else going on too that's new. Might as well throw that out here while I'm doing this. I got a job offer to go Gasperaeu fishing. Gasperaeu goes for lobster bait, and for myself, it'd be a good opportunity. I've always had an interest in fishing, just never had a chance to go, so now I get a chance to go. So I'm going to take it, and at the end of the day, it'll help me do my farming thing here at home too. I'm not going to quit the Titus farm or anything, but anyway, yes, those things. So I'm going to be doing some videos on that once we kind of get out in the boat and going. Actually, right now I got to grab something to eat. Yes, I guess we're going to head out and just kind of run some lines and buoys, and then kind of get ready to put nets out. So anyways, later today, tomorrow, get this thing unhooked, hook up the PTO, see, get her all turning, get her cleaned up, just, I don't know, get the moss and stuff off, get her cleaned, greased up, oiled up. So anyways, I'll leave this at this for now, and try to get some video of being out in the boat today. We'll see what happens on that. But anyways, for now, I gotta get something to eat. I am starving. Right, for anybody that doesn't know, this is the St. John River, and this is Stam Whelpley's Cove. So I guess the plan right now, there's a buoy out there. Kind of see it. Basically, we're going over to that, and we're just going to kind of mark this here for territory. Like you say, I don't know, it's my first time out here, so anyway. Hooked on the tractor, moved up here. This shaft is a little too long to hook in, but I got my drawbar hooked up. It's 2 inches too long, so take a couple inches out of this and then it'll work. So got the PTO on. Kick that in gear and see if everything turns. Alright, my plunger, whatever, seems to be sticking. Let's install the tractor out. Just kind of cruddy looking in there, so have to get her greased up or whatever and get her freed up and get this thing going. So I'm just going to leave the video at this for now, and I don't know, as I go with fishing and stuff, I'll get some footage of that too. So anyways, this is it.